Updating your legal name on FastestVPN is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account reflects your new name quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the FastestVPN website and log into your account using your current credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SOC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Name Update option. Look for an option that allows you to update your personal details, specifically your legal name. This may be labeled as Edit Profile or Update Name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that the spelling is correct and matches your official documents to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation email to verify the update. Follow any instructions in the email to complete the process. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated on FastestVPN. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.